What if I told you the Holy Spirit isn't just one flame, but 7 burning lights before God's throne? John the Apostle saw them, 7 spirits of God blazing like living fire. Not 7 different beings, but one Spirit, revealed in divine completeness. Isaiah spoke of this mystery long before. The Spirit of the Lord, wisdom, understanding, counsel, might, knowledge, and fear of the Lord. 7 attributes, one essence, a perfect reflection of the fullness of God. Each flame shines a part of his nature. Together, they form divine harmony. John stood in awe as the flame circled the throne, pure, eternal, and alive. The hidden truth? These 7 spirits reveal how the Holy Spirit touches every part of creation. One light's sevenfold power, infinite perfection. Follow for more hidden truths, only in Revelation Zone.